Absolutely. Let's get into it. I loved Fairly Odd Parents, like, way beyond the age I was supposed to be watching it. I'm going to start off with the Prep and Prime Skin Zone. I'm going to start off with the MAC Prep. I'm going to start off with the Skin Refine Zone Prep and Prime. I kind of just put it around my nose area. It's really good for like just filling in the pores. Next I'm going to take the Ultra Laton. I'm just going to put this on with my fingers. And then a little bronzer. I'm going to use the Le Beige Bronzing Cream from Chanel. Next I'm going to use the Eyebrow Styler in Onyx from MAC. So I'm not gonna lie, I don't really have an actual plan for what I'm gonna do for this. So we're just gonna see how it kind of turns out. I'm gonna use the Anastasia Dip Brow Gel in Granite, and I'm just gonna use it around my beard. And I'm not using it in my brows because that was an awful experience. Maybe I used it wrong. I don't know. It was just really messy. I'm going to go ahead and use the Source Hill Styler from Lancome. This is in Brun. I feel like that just literally like does the most for you. I love it. Alright, since I'm using or doing something kind of bright, I'm going to use the Anastasia eye primer. And I'm going to use this touch-up brush from Chanel. I was told to use like a small like dense brush, and this is like the smallest like concealer brush I have. And she said just to use like a little bit, and then you just take like half of that much and put it on one eye. And this seems like a lot of product. I'm gonna disperse it, because I can't do that. Oh my god, oh my god. How did she, well, her brush was smaller. In her defense, her brush was smaller. I am probably messing everything up. But who are we if we don't try? You know, you can try. I feel like it's gonna look good. I feel like I'm trusting. I'm trusting the process. I'm going to start with the Cosmo side because I don't have very many greens. I have the James Charles palette, and it does have, and then I have one green in the Wired palette. I also have some two greens too. Like I have Persuade Me from Military. So I have quite a few greens. I'm going to start with the James Charles palette. Let me take the lighter green. And I'm going to put that right here by my brow. Why? We still don't know. We still don't know what we're doing. But I'm going to take the darker green on the same brush and put that right here. I'm going to take the darker green and put it down here. Kind of create a wing. I'm going to kind of create this shape. Grab the Subculture palette. And I'm going to go into Untamed. I'm basically just going to put it like right here. I'm going to add another color other than green. I'm going to use the Color Excess liner from MAC. This is in The Last Word. And I'm basically just going to kind of, not really outline, but go beside where I had that green line. I'm going to take this detailed brush. This is a Morphe brush from one of the Christmas collections in like 2019, I think. And I'm just going to take that dark green and sharpen up where it meets up with that blue. While the going's good, let's go ahead. I'm just going to add gruel to that. That looks kind of cool. Pink side. I'm going to start with the liner this time. This is the ColourPop liner in Good Reef. Oh, I'm going to do like a darker magenta in the inner corner. I'm going to pop it right here. I'm using the JS6 from Morphe. Let me use the same brush. I'm going to get You Can't Sit With Us. And it's like this salmony color. I'm going to start buffing that up here. Is this ever going to end?
No, it's not.
First, I'm going to take Wednesday again. And I'm going to make like a downward line and then go under. Then I'm going to take more Wednesday. Then I'm going to take a tiny, tiny bit of She Doesn't Even Go here. I'm going to take, it's another color excess in Commitment Issues. Pinks are so hard to blend. I'm going to grab a blush. I'm going to take Quickie from Urban Decay. Now I'm going to take Commitment Issues and I'm going to do those lines. I'm going to take Regina George. Put that basically in the same space all the way up to the brow. I'm probably not going to do blush because this is absolute, well, yeah, this is insane. I'm not doing blush. I think I might do lashes. I have a few options. I have the Goddess Lash from MAC. Samantha's from Hood of Beauty, I think would also look really pretty too. I don't know. This looks like muchness. This is a lot. It's a lot. It's a lot. And it's not me. I might do the Goddess Lash, which is also a lot, but not as much as those. Ooh, you know what? I'm going to take, this is a Chanel brush. This is the eyebrow brush. And I'm going to take Wednesday again and do those lines. I think that's it. I don't know. I can't think of anything else to add. Yeah, I just think this turned out really cool. I just wanted to share this with you. Hope you had fun. And try not to get hit by a bus. Stay beautiful.